All right. Well, right now we're in the 7th district, but we're not in the party district. We're in the quieter part of the 7th district, Erzsébetváros, right? That's in Hungarian. It means Elizabeth Town. It's named after Elizabeth, Queen of Hungary, Empress of Austria. You might have heard of her as Sisi, right? And, well, she loved Budapest, and Budapest loved her. And this part of the city is, like I said, not the party district. This is a sort of quieter part of town, quieter part of the 7th district. They got a bunch of colleges here, a bunch of high schools, right? They got the veterinary college, they've got the pedagogy and art schools, and it gives a little bit more laid-back bohemian atmosphere. This is not where people party. This is where people live, where they work, where they shop, where they enjoy. There's a lot of pet stores, a lot of pets. And right now we're going to this one Italian deli where we usually get coffee and cannoli and cheese and Italian cured meats, pasta, limoncello, orancello, prosecco, and all those beautiful Italian goods. No civilized man or woman should do without. They've got fruits, veggies here.
Yeah, here you have lots of small businesses, like people sell something.
And that's how you can tell an area is nice and that you have a bunch of small shops, small independent businesses, instead of just large chains, big box stores or whatever. We really love this area of Budapest, and here is us sharing it with you.
No poop. No poop. So many beautiful buildings. What do you think? What are there? What are they? Like some government buildings, or?
They're just ordinary buildings.
You mean people live here?
Live, work, shop.
Wow. Yeah. We don't have this in Skopje. This is wool.
It's wool?
Yeah. You see this the sign?
Oh yeah, pure new
Sign?
wool.
Yeah. This one. If you see this sign, it means it's wool. Yeah. And I think all of them, the most of them, maybe not all of them, but this one,
Oh yeah.
it's wool. You can feel it on when you touch the. This one is, I think it's Shetland, like yours.
No, this is Telemark. It's wool, but it's not Shetland. It's from the Telemark region of Norway.
So you will bought this coat. What is this? Leather?
Genuine Napa leather,
Okay.
Westbury.
How much?
75 euros.
75 or 70?
75.
Okay.
You can never have too many trench coats.
I am from the planet Krypton, and I have come to impregnate your women.
So, what did you buy?
I buy socks.
Oh, you bought dog socks.
Yeah.
No.
They are not second-hand or vintage, but I think of these socks. I think for 1 year because I saw it last year when we were here, and yeah, now finally I've bought them.
Oh,
And they are with a very cute Hungarian dog,
yeah.
Puli.
Puli. Yes, this brand,
Yeah.
this breed is called Puli, and it's typically Hungarian. Yes. So.
What did you buy?
A tweed jacket.
Okay, it's a material. It's a wool material.
I think it's a kind of tweed, 92% wool, 8% cashmere. It's in a place called Commodores, and believe it or not, Commodores is half thrift store, half beer shop, and coffee bar.
Perfect for you.
Oh yeah, I mean, like, sometimes the men can drink beer, the women can shop, but sometimes the men like to shop too. I think it's Guide to the Jewish Quarter by Printa.
Oh, okay.
Printa is one of our favorite stores in Budapest. We come every time.
Yeah, very frequently.
Very frequently. We buy something every time.
They made clothes for recycled materials.
Oh yeah, they use recycled cottons, which we like.
Yeah.
We like to recycle. Hello. So we are here at Klaus Alter Market and we have bought Turorudi.
And what is Turorudi?
It's a cheese curd candy like we ate in Lithuania and Latvia
In Poland.
and Poland.
And here, but you didn't like Turorudi
The
2 years
first time?
ago, the first time.
Yeah, but I have a feeling those Turorudis were not very good.
Okay.
They were past due. So let's try with one fresh from the market. It's different from the one we had in Lithuania. More fruity. More fruity. Less sensation of curd. More sweet, more chocolate.
Different.
But still very refreshing and light.